ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरं संदिग्धम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अथ द्वितीयोऽध्यायः।
तद्वितीयोऽध्यायः
प्रथमः पादः
प्रथमः पादः
समर्थः पदविधिः
समर्थः पदविधिः
शुभामन्त्रिते पराङ्गवत्स्वरे
शुभामन्त्रिते पराङ्गवत्सरे
प्राक्कडारात् समासः
प्राक्कडारात् समासः
सह सुपा
सह सुपा
अव्ययी भावः
अव्ययी भावः
अव्ययम् विभक्तिसमीपसमृद्धिभृद्यर्थाभावात्यया सम्प्रतिशब्दप्रादुर्भावपश्चात्यतानुपूर्वयोगपद्य सादृश्यसम्पत्तिसाकल्यान्तवचनेषु
अव्ययं विभक्ति समीप समृद्धि वृद्ध्यर्थाभावात्यया सम्प्रतिशब्द प्रादुर्भावयति पश्चाद्यथानुपूर्वयोपगत सादृश्य संपत्ति साकल्यान्तवचनेषु
यथा सादृश्ये
यथा सादृश्ये
यावदवधारणे
यावदवधारणे
सुप्रतिनामात्रार्थे
सुप्रतिनामात्रार्थे
अक्षशलाकासङ्ख्याः परिणाम
अक्षशलाकासंख्यातीर्णा
विभाषा
विभाषा
अपपरिबहिरञ्च वः पञ्चम्या
अपपरिबहिरञ्चवः पञ्चम्या
आङ् मर्यादाभिविद्योगो
आङ् मर्यादाभिविद्यो
लक्षणेनाभिप्रति आभिमुख्ये
लक्षणेनाभिप्रति आभिमुख्ये
अनुर्यत्समया
अनुर्यत्समया
यस्य चायामः
यस्य
यस्य
चायामः
चायामः
तिष्ठद्गुप्रवृत्तीनि च
तिष्ठत्प्रभृतीनि च
च
पारे मध्ये षष्ट्या वा
पारे मध्ये
पारे
षष्ट्या
मध्ये
वा
षष्ट्या वा
संख्यावंश्येन
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 नदीभिश्च
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 अन्यपदार्थे च संज्ञायाम्
अन्यपदार्थे च संज्ञायाम्
तत्पुरुषः
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 द्विगुश्च
द्विगुश्च
द्वितीयाश्रितातीतपतितगताभ्यस्तप्राप्तापन्नैः
द्वितीयाश्रितातीतपतितगतापन्नैः
प्राप्तापन्नैः
स्वयं तेन
वयं तेन
स्वयं
खट्वाक्षेपे
खट्वाक्षेपे
क्षेपे
सामी
सामी
कालाः
कालाः
अत्यन्तसंयोगे च
अत्यन्तसंयोगे च
तृतीया तत्कृतार्थेन गुणवचनेन
तृतीया तत्कृतेन गुणवचनेन
पूर्वसदृशसमोनार्थकलकनिपुनमिश्रश्लक्ष्णैः
पूर्वसदृशसमोनार्थकलहनिपुनमिश्रलक्ष्णैः
कर्तृकरणे कृता बहुलम्
कर्तृकरणे कृता बहुलम्
कृत्यैरधिकार्थवचने
कृत्यैरधिकार्थवचने
अन्येन व्यञ्जनम्
अन्येन व्यञ्जनम्
भक्ष्येन मिश्रीकरणम्
भक्ष्येन मिश्रीकरणम्
चतुर्थी तदर्थार्थबलिहितसुखरक्षितैः
चतुर्थी
चतुर्थी
तदर्थार्थबलिहितसुखरक्षितैः
पञ्चमी भयेन
पञ्चमी भयेन
अपेतापोडमुक्तपतितापत्रस्तैरल्पशः
अपेतापोडमुक्तपतितापत्रस्तैरल्पशः
स्तोकान्तिकदूरार्थकृच्छ्रानिक्तेन
स्तोकान्तिकदूरार्थकृच्छ्रानिक्तेन
सप्तमे शौण्डैः
शौण्डैः
सिद्धशुष्कपक्वबन्धैश्च
सिद्धशुष्कपक्वबन्धैश्च
द्वाङ्क्षेण क्षेपे
क्षेपे
कृत्यैर्णे
कृत्यैर्णे
संज्ञायाम्
संज्ञायाम्
तेनाहोरात्रावयवाः
तेनाहोरात्रावयवाः
तत्र
तत्र
क्षेपे पात्रे समितादयश्च
पात्रे समितादयश्च
पूर्वकालैकसर्वजरत्पुरार्णवकेवलाः समानाधिकरणेन
पूर्वकालैकसर्वजरत्पुराणनवकेवलाः समानाधिकरणेन
दिक्सङ्ख्ये संज्ञायाम्
दिक्सङ्ख्ये संज्ञानाम्
तद्धितार्थोत्तरपदसमाहारे च
तद्धितार्थोत्तरपदसमाहारे च
संख्यापूर्वो द्विगुः
संख्यापूर्वो द्विगुः
कुत्सितानि कुत्सनैः
कुत्सितानि कुत्सनैः
पापाणके कुत्सितैः
पापाणके कुत्सितैः
उपमानानि सामान्यवचनैः
उपमानानि सामान्यवचनैः
उपमितं व्याघ्रादिभिः सामान्या प्रयोगे
उपमितं व्याघ्रादिभिः सामान्या प्रयोगे
विशेषणं विशेष्येन बहुलम्
विशेषणं विशेष्येन बहुलम्
बहुलम्
पूर्वापरप्रथमचर्म जगन्य समान मध्य मध्यम वीराश्च
पूर्वापरप्रथमचरम जगन्य समान मध्य मध्यम वीराश्च
वीराश्च
श्रेण्यादयः कृतादिभिः
श्रेण्यादयः कृतादिभिः
कृतादिभिः
तेन विशिष्टेनानञ्ज
तेन नञ्विशिष्टेन अनञ्ज
सन्महत्परमोत्तमोत्कृष्टाः पूज्यमानैः
सन्महत्परमोत्तमोत्कृष्टा पूज्यपुष्टाः पूज्यमानैः
वृन्दारकनाककुञ्जरैः पूज्यमानम्
वृन्दारकराहकुञ्जरैः पूज्यमानम्
पूज्यमानम्
कतरकतमो जातिपरिप्रश्ने
कतरकतमो जातिपरिप्रश्ने
किं क्षेपे
किं क्षेपे
कोटा युवतिस्तोककतिपयदृष्टिधेनुवशा वेगत्पष्टयनी प्रवक्तृ श्रोत्रियाध्यापकदूर्दै जातिः
होटायुवतिस्तोक कतिपय दृष्टितेन वशा वेहद् बष्कयनी प्रवक्तृ श्रोत्रियाध्यापक धूतैर्जातिः
प्रशंसावचनैश्च
प्रशंसावचनैश्च
युवा खलति फलित बलिनजरतीभिः
युवा खलति फलितवलिन जरतीभिः
कृत्यतुल्याख्या अजात्या
कृत्यतुल्याख्या अजात्या
वर्णो वर्णेन
वर्णो वर्णेन
कुमारश्रमणादिभिः
कुमारश्रमणादिभिः
चतुष्पादो गर्भिण्या
चतुष्पादो गर्भिण्या
मयूरविंशकादयश्च
मयूरव्यंसकादयश्च
इति पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे द्वितीयाध्यायस्य प्रथमः पादः
इति पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे द्वितीयाध्यायस्य प्रथमः पादः
द्वितीयः पादः
द्वितीयः पादः
पूर्वापरादरोत्तरमेकदेशिनैकाधिकरणे
पूर्वापराधरोत्तरमेकदेशिकैकाधिकरणे
अर्धं नपुंसकम्
अर्धं नपुंसकम्
द्वितीय तृतीय चतुर्थ तुर्याण्यन्यतरस्याम्
द्वितीय तृतीय चतुर्थ तुर्याण्यन्यतरस्याम्
प्राप्तापन्ने च द्वितीयया
प्राप्तापने च द्वितीयया
कालाः परिमाणिना
कालः परिमाणिना
नञ्ज
नञ्ज
ईषदकृता
ईषदः कृता
षष्ठी
षष्ठी
याजकादिभिश्च
याजकादिभिश्च
न निर्धारणे
न निर्धारणे
पूरणगुणसुहितार्थसदव्ययतव्यसमानाधिकरणेन
पूरणगुणसुहितार्थव्ययतव्यसमानाधिकरणेन
तेन च पूजायाम्
तेन च पूजायाम्
अधिकरणवाचिना च
अधिकरणवाचिना च
कर्मणि च
कर्मणि च
त्रिजकाभ्यां कर्तरि
त्रिजकाभ्यां
कर्तरि च
कर्तरि च
नित्यं क्रीडाजीविकयोः
नित्यं
नित्यं
क्रीडाजीवितयोः
कुगतिप्रादयः
कुगतिप्रादयः
उपपदमतिम्
उपपदमतिम्
अमैवाव्ययेन
अमैवाव्ययेन
तृतीया प्रवृत्तिं यन्यतरस्याम्
प्रवृत्तिरन्यतरस्याम्
स्वाच
स्वाच
शेषो बहुव्रीहिः
शेषो बहुव्रीहिः
अनेकमन्यपदार्थे
अनेकमन्यपदार्थे
संख्यया व्ययासन्नादूरादिकसंख्या संख्येये
संख्यया
संख्येये
दिङ्नामान्यन्तराले
दिङ्नामान्यनन्तराले
तत्र तेनेदमिति स्वरूपे
तत्र तेने स्वरूपे
तेन सहेति तुल्ययोगे
तेन सहेति तुल्ययोगे
चार्ते द्वन्द्वः
चार्थे
द्वन्द्वः
उपसर्जनं पूर्वम्
उपसर्जनं पूर्वम्
राजदन्तादिषु परम्
राजदन्तादिषु परम्
द्वन्द्वे घी
द्वन्द्वे
अजाद्यदन्तम्
अजाद्यदन्तम्
अल्पाष्टरम्
अल्पाक्षरम्
सप्तमी विशेषणे बहुव्रीहौ
सप्तमी
सप्तमी
विशेषणे
बहुव्रीहौ
निष्ठा
निष्ठा
वाहिताग्न्यादिषु
वाहिताग्न्यादिषु
कडारा कर्मधारये
कर्मधारये
इति पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे द्वितीयाध्यायस्य द्वितीयः पादः
पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे द्वितीयाध्यायस्य द्वितीयः पादः
षष्ठी तत्पुरुष samasa, for which we need to know the sutras which already we have seen. The knowledge of Vibhakti Sutrani, which are in 2-3 sections, which are required to form Shakti Tatpurusha. Required to form certain sutras negates samasa. So, required for the knowledge of, required for the knowledge of forming. Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa. So Shashti Sheshe, that is called Shesha Shashti. Shesha meaning Uttad Anyaha, whatever has been told before, not covered. Things which are not covered, that is called Sheshaha, Uttad Anyaha, Shashti Sheshe. Karaka Avivakshayam api Shashti Bhavati. Then these sutras 2351 up to 2357. The 7 sutras where Shashti Vibhakti is ordained, and that Shashti is called Pratipada Vidhana Shashti plus 1, 2, 3, 64. So these 7 plus 1, 8 sutra where Shashti is ordained, that Shashti will not participate in Samasa. Samasa is denied for this Shashti. So either Shashti Sheshe can combine and form Samasa, or Kartra Karmanoho Kriti, 2, 3, 65. Krudyoge. Krudyoge, karta and karma take Shashti Vibhakti. That is called Karmani Shashti, Kartari Shashti. So this is the Shashti where Shashti Vibhakti is considered to be a Karaka. We say in the beginning, Shashti is not a Karaka. But here, Kartru Karmanoho, so Shashti Vibhakti, which represents Shashti Bhakti, the Karta which is expressed in Shashti Bhakti or Karma. Krudyoge, Kartari Shashti, Karmani Shashti. So Shashti Bhakti also can express Karta, Karma, iti. Kartru Karmanoho Kriti. This is the Utsarga under which we have the sutras. Ubhaya Prapto, Karmani. When Karta and Karma are there, then among the two, Karma will take Shashti Bhakti. Then Tasya cha Vartamane, Tha Pratyaya, Nishta Pratyaya. Vartamane Arte, Nishta Pratyaya generally Bhute Arte. Bhute Dhatoho Ta Pratyaha Karmani Vartate. Denotes karma. Here Tasya cha Vartamane, it is Vartamane Ta Pratyaya. Vartamane Ta Pratyaya added and the Karta of that. Karta of the Krudyoge Shashti. Therefore, Karta is expressed in Shashti Bhakti. Tasya cha Vartamane. So Ta Pratyaya added in the Vartamana Artha and the Karta of the Karta associated with the Kridanta will take Shashti Bhakti. So Ta Pratyaya itself is Tanta is Kridanta. Therefore, Krudyoge Shashti Bhavati. But here Ta Pratyaya Vartamane Arte. That is the important. Why Vartamane is given? It is already covered Kriti. Krudyoge. That is with the Kridanta Pada. Associated with the Kridanta word. Ta is Kridanta. Why this repetition? It is not repetition. Why it is given here is Ta, because later, that is in 2-3 section, later, Nishta is negated for forming Kartari Shashti. Kartari Karmani Shashti. Nishta is negated. Na Nishta. Na Loka Vya Nishta 69. With the Kridanta word, what Kridanta? Nishta. Ta, Tanta or Tavatu. Anta. With Nishta Pratyaya, Na, that is Krudyoge Shashti, Na Bhavati. That is what negation. Na. Shashti Vibhakti Na Bhavati. Karta or Karma cannot take Shashti Vibhakti when it associated with a Kridanta, Nishta Pratyayanta. Nishta Pratyayanta word. Nishta means Sakta Tavatu, Kridanta. With the Kridanta, which are Ta and Tavatu, Tatru Karmanoho Kriti is negated. So negation is given in 69. So as an exception to the 69, it is given before. There specifically given Vartamane. Nishta in general, Bhute. Here Vartamane. And then we have seen the last class, Vartamane is connected to Vartamane in Vartamana's Artha, in Vartamana Kala, Kalartha, Mati Buddhi, Pujarte Bhyaha Dhatu Bhyakta Pratyaha Bhavati. Therefore, that is connected to that sutra. In that case, it will take Shashti Vibhakti. So, Karta Karmanoho Kriti, that will apply. So, Apavada to 69, 67. And 67 is very specific to Vartamana Artha. And that too, for the dhatus conveying the meaning of that is Mati. Mati is Icha, Buddhi is Jnanam, and Pujartha. That's very specific. Therefore, only it is specified. So the question may come, Tatra Karmanoha Kriti is there, then why you say Ta? This is the reason. Then similarly, Adhikarana Vachina, Cha, Adhikaranam also, Karta and Karma Visa, Then Adhikaranam also. The word expressing Adhikarana, that also Kridyoge Shashti Bhavati Adhikarana Vachinascha iti. These sutras we saw. And the 69 I just mentioned that that is negation of Kridyoga Shashti. Na loka vyaya nishta khalarta tranam iti. All these sutras we have seen. Then in the Samasa Vidayaka Sutra, under Shashti we have 228. Shashti is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, Samasa Vidayaka Sutra, therefore, Upasarjanam, Shashtentam Subantam Padam, Samartena Subantena Saha Samasyate, Samasaha Bhavati. That is called Shashti Tatpura Samasa. We have seen Ragyaha Purusha, etc. Under this we have one Vartikam, Kridyoga Cha Shashti Samasyate, Kridyoga Shashti. Therefore, only we need to know these sutras. Should have the knowledge of these. Kartru Karmano Kriti, Ubaya Prapto Karmani, Tasya Vartamane, Adhikarana Vachinascha, Kridyoge Shashti Bhavati. But whether all will compound or not, that is a question. That for that sutras are the Kartru Karmano Kriti is what we say. Other things are, for other things, negating other things, there are sutras. In the Samasa Vidayaka Sutras. Negating this, there are sutras. So therefore, Kartru-karmano kriti kridyoge shashti samasyate iti. So for that we have seen this example. Kridyoge shashti samasyate idmasya pravrashchanaha. Idman shabda or idma. Idma you can take fuel, wood, etc. That which cuts the fuel. Pravrashchanaha. Vrashdhatu. Idma pravrashchanaha is axe, referring to the cutter. Indana cutter, fuel cutter, it's called. So here, Pravasthanaha is Kridanta word. Vrash dhatu, Vrash dhatu, then Ana, lit pratyaya. So Idmasya Vrashchanaha, cutter of the fuel. So this is a karma. So therefore, Idmasya Vrashchanaha, therefore Kridyoge Shashti Bhavati. And we can form Samasa. By what sutra? Shashti 228. 228 we can form Shashti. Shashtiantam Subantam Padam. The Shashti is because of Kartru Karmano Kriti. Here Idman and Pravascha, two words are there. Why Idma taken Shashti? Because of the Kridanta. Therefore, this is called Kridyoge Shashti. Idma is a karma for the cutting, therefore Karmani Shashti. And Kridyoge, therefore Kridyoge Shashti. And that can combine. Therefore, Idma Pravaschanaha iti. Similarly, Palashasya Shatanaha. Palashasya Shatanaha. So here, this Shatanaha is the Kridanta. So Palashasya, Palasha is a karma. Karma has taken Shashti because of Kridyoge Shashti. Kridyoge Shashti Samasyate. Therefore, Palashasya Shatanaha, Palasha Shatanaha. Many examples we have seen under this. These examples are Karmani. We have seen Paninehe, Kritihi, etc. All those things before. This is just a summary of what we have seen. Kridyoga Shashti already we have seen. Then Kimartam Idam Uchate. Why this Kridyoga Shashti, the Vartikam is there? Because Pratipada Vidana Shashti na samasyate iti vakshati. Tasya ayam purastad apakarshaha. Pratipada Vidana Shashti will not combine. That is said later in the Nanirdharane Sutram. Pratipada Vidana Shashti na samasyate. Vartikam is the Pratipada Vidana Shashti. Tasya ayam purastad. And this is this sutra and this Vartikam. It purastad apakarsha removes that later, removes the negation of that what comes later here. Kridyoga Shashti. So combining this, we have to understand Krityoga Shashti Samasyate, that is in this list of sutras from year to year, Samasaha na bhavati, Shashti ordained by this sutra, Samasa will not happen. Katrukramna Kriti, here Samasyate. Here also not all, because of the negation in the Samasa Vidayaka Sutra, mainly 2365. Other sutras by which Shashti is formed, they are denied compounding, that are given in the Samasa Vidayaka Sutra under Na Nirdharane. After that, Na coming as Anuvati, where it is negated. Now, Yajaka Dibischa 2 to 8 after Shashti, 2 to 8, this is 2 to 9. Yajaka Dibihi, Yajakadi is a Gana. So, Yajaka Dibihi, it is Tatiyantam Padam. For this Shashti coming as Anuvati. Therefore, Shashtiyantam Subantam Padam, that is Upasarjana, because Samase Pratama Upasarjanam Bhavati. So, Shashtiyantam Subantam Padam, Yajakadi Prakritika Subantena Padena Samasyate Samasaha Bhavati Yajaka. There we see the word Kridanta ending with Aka, that is the Krit Pratyaya is Aka Pratyaya, Null Pratyaya. So a word ending with Shashti Vibhakti is compounded with the words Yajaka, etc. and Tatpurusha Samasa is formed. So Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi says Ebihi means Kaihi, Yajakadibihi. Kabihi, Yajakadibihi. Yajakadibigi Shashtiyantam Samasyate. Shashtiyantam Subantam Padam Yajakadibigi Samasyate. The words which are in the Yajakadi Gana, Yajakadi, that Samasyate, compounding happens. Trijakabhyam Kartari, which is 2 to 15, Ityasya Pratiprasavaha Ayam. Trijakabhyam Kartari comes later, 2 to 15, where very specifically Trich and Aka denoting the Karta, that for that Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa is denied. So this is a Prati Prasavaha for that. That is the compound Samasa which was ordained by Shashti 2 to 8, which is prohibited by 2 to 15, Tajakabhyam Kartari. This sutram what does is, that is Yajakadibhischa, compounding is made against such prohibition. So that is called Prati Prasavaha. Padamanjarikara, I think it says, it says, as class I was searching who said this, it is there in Padamanjari, I think. Yes. Anyena Nivartitasya Punaha Pravritti Abhyanugyanam Prati Prasavaha. Abhyanugyanam is permitting, permissible. Punah Pravritti, permitting again. What is negated by the other, permitted by the other one. That is called Prati Prasavaha. So this is Prati Prasavaha. Yajakadibihi is Prati Prasavaha. So Yajakadibihi, in other words, we can say that Yajakadibihi negates the negation. Negates the negation of the compounding, negates the negation of not compounding. Trijakabhyam Kartari negates compounding. That is negated by Yajakadibihi. So that for that we have a word Prati Prasavaha. So permissal of what is negated. Negating the negated and permitting the compounding here. It's called Prati Prasavaha. Prati Prasavaha. Okay, then. So when we form Samasa with Trich and Aka, Trich, that is Nul Trichau. Nul Trichau denotes Karta. So if it is Trich Anta or Nul Anta, Tridantas are there, then we have to consider these two sutras, Trijakabhyam Kartari and Yajakadibihi. If it is in Yajakadigana, then you can form Samasa. If it is not, then by Trijakabhyam Kartari, it is negated. Samasa cannot be formed. So, Yajakadigana allows Samasa to be formed for certain words. Yajakadigana, the words You can see the very word yajaka, it is aka pratyaya, null pratyaya. So what is negated here? That aka, that null in general. For certain nullanta, it is Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa is permitted. Therefore, when we form samasa, we have to find whether that word is there in yajaka adi gana. If it is there, samasa can be formed. If not there, no compounding. Okay. Then yajaka adi gana, these are the words yajaka, pujaka, paricharaka, pariveshaka, snapaka, asnataka, adhyapaka, utsagaka, utsadaka also, udvartaka. All these are aka. Then hotru, trich, nartru, rata ganaka, patti ganaka, potru. Then I think it must be hartru, not atru, or atru maybe. You check that. Vartaka. These words. I think there's some typo. I think it should be in Yachaka Digana. It is hotru, it is not nartru, it is bartru. Okay. Hartru, not nartru. Similarly, here it is hartru. It's a typo. Okay. Potru, hartru. Copy pasted from the website. Yajaka, Pujaka, Paricharaka, Pariveshaka, Snataka or Snapaka, Adhyapaka, Utsagaka, Utsadaka, Udvartaka, Hotru, Bhartru. Bhartru, we will see example. So, I was checking Bhartru is not the Bhartru. Bharta. Rataganaka, Patti. Ganaka, Potru, Hartru, Vartaka. These are the words in the Yajakadigana. With these words, compounding is allowed. Now, Yajaka, how the word Yajaka? It's a, with the null pratyaya, you get Yajaka. So, Krid Yoge, Brahmanasya Yajakaha. Brahmanasya Yajakaha. Krid Yoge, Brahmana takes Shashti Vibhakti. Krid Yoge, Brahmana takes Shashti Vibhakti. So, Brahmanasya Yajakaha. Kartari. Krid Yoge Shashti. Karta Karmana Kriti iti sutrena. It has taken Shashti Vibhakti. Karta takes Shashti Vibhakti. Then, by Trijakabhyam Kartari, Samasa is not formed, but this is under Yajakabi. Therefore, Samasa is formed. So, writing the Laukika Vigraha, Brahmana plus Nas, Yajaka plus Su, then we know this forms Kirtatita Samasascha Pratipadikam, then Supodhatu Pratipadika Yoko Look, then Brahmana and Yajaka you get. Then you can decline in Pullinga by adding Supratya Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam Brahmana Yajakaha, Brahmana Yajakau, Brahmana Yajakaha iti. Similarly, Kshatriyasya Yajakaha, Shashti Vibhakti because of Kartar Karmanokho Kriti, and after that we can form Samasa. Yajaka is one of the word in Yajaka Digana, therefore we can form Samasa. Kshatriya Yajakaha. Similarly, Paricharaka, that word also is there in Yajaka Digana. Rajnyaha Paricharakaha. So Raja Paricharakaha. Rajnyaha Rajan. So Nakara goes away, therefore Raja Paricharakaha. Similarly, Vrikshaha Parishechakaha. Vriksha Parishechakaha. Samskritasya Adhyapakaha. Samskritadhyapakaha. Samskritasya Adhyapaka. Adhyapaka, the teacher. So, teacher of what? Teacher of Samskrita. So, Karmani. It is karma. Here also karma. Here also it's karma. Here also it's karma. Here also it must be karma. It is Brahmanas Yajaka iti sutrena Shashti. Okay. It is sutrena Shashti. So, Adhyapaka, the teacher of Samskritam. Samskritasya. So, therefore, Shashti, Krid Yoga Shashti. And Adhyapaka, one of the word in Yajakadigana, therefore we can form samasa. Samskritadhyapakaha. Adharmatsya utsadakaha. Utsadakaha or utsahakaha also. Adharmotsadakaha. Samasa can be formed. Devanam pujakaha. Puja for which the object of worship devas. Therefore karmani shashti. Krudyoke shashti, karmani shashti, devanam pujakaha, deva pujakaha. This is karta. This denotes karta. Aka, we know, nul trachau, aka denotes karta. Kartari nul pratyaya bhavati. Therefore, what follows here, it must be karma. It cannot be karta. Okay, that's why I changed it. All these are null. We know nul trachau, kartari nul trachau. A dhatu can represent karta by the trish pratyaya or nul pratyaya. Utsarga krit pratyayas denote karta. So if karta is there, how can adharma be again a karta? It should be karma for the karta. Therefore, karma for the kriya involved in the dhatu, which denotes karta, and the kriya is here teaching. For the object of teaching is Samskrita. Therefore, karmani shashti. That is by Kriti Yoga Shashti only. Same thing, same sutra only. Karta karmana kriti. The same sutra only. By that only Shashti Vibhakti is ordained for the karma. And samasa can be formed by this sutra, Yajaka Dibischa. Here there is one Vartika. Is it clear up to this? I think up to this we have seen the last class.
Yes, Ji.
Yes, any doubts you have, anybody, please ask. I have not typed everything, I'm going to type. Up to something I have done. After that, we have to do in the class only. I didn't get time to do it. Then there's a Vartikam to this. Okay, we can see the Sutra 229. Yajakadibihi, Tritya Vibhakti. And Shashti coming as Anuvritti. Therefore, Shashtentam Subantam Padam, Yajakadibihi Subantegi Saka Samasite Samasaha Bhavati. Now here, Kashikakara says, Purvena Samasaha Siddhaha Eva, Tasya Kartari, Purvena Shashti Vibhakti itself, from why it is given, because there is going to be negation later. Therefore, for that, this is Prati Prasavartam Idam Arabhyate. Okay, Yajakadibihi Saha, Shashti Samasitis, Shashti Tat Purusha Samasaha. All these are words. Okay, then that's a Vartika. Gunatarena Taralopascha iti Vaktavyam. That Vartika is given, that we will see. Gunatarena, it is Murdhani Nakara. In the website, I think it is given Dante Nakara, it is maybe typo. But okay, it's Murdhani only. So Gunatarena Taralopascha Vaktavyam. Tarap Antam, Tarabantam. Yad Gunavachi Tena Saha Samasaha Tarap Pratyaya Lopascha. So this explained here. The word in Shashti Vibhakti, Shashtantam Sabantam Padam, Samasyate with the word expressing a quality, a guna, and ending with Tarap Pratyaya. Ending with Tarap Pratyaya. Tarap Pratyaya we know. Tarap Pratyaya is used for comparative degree. Gugya Tara, Patu Tara, Tarap Pratyaya. And when compounding is done, the Tara becomes Lopaha. So Tara Pratyaya Lopascha Bhavati. So Gunatarena, that is Shashti Vibhakti, can combine with the word ending with, can combine with the word expressing a quality, and the word ending with Tara Pratyaya. Tara Pratyaya is used in comparative degree. Like we have Eason, Ishtan Eason. Eason comparative. Ishtan superlative. Similarly, we have Tarap and Tamap. Tarap, Tamapo, Gaha, they are called by the name Gha, the Sanya. So Tara Pratyaya is comparative degree. So, and Tara Lopaha Bhavati, Tara Pratyaya becomes Lopaha. When we do compound, when compounding is done, Tara, the Pratyaya gets Lopa. Now you see example. Sarvesham Shveta Taraha. Shveta meaning white. Taraha is the Taraha is, it is superlative. That is, it's comparative. Sarvesham Shveta Taraha. But yes, Sarvesham is a, therefore, let us say, white, it is of all, whitest of all. Whitest of all, that is the meaning. Sarvesham Shveta Taraha. Whitest of all. So, Sarvesham, Shashti Vibhakti. And Shveta Taraha. Shveta is the Gunavachi. Expresses Guna. Quality. And Tara Pratyaya is there. Now we can compound Sarvesham. Sarva plus Am Pratyaya. Shveta Tara plus Su Pratyaya. When you do compound, you get Sarva Shveta Tara. And Tara can be Tara, the Pratyaya should become Lopa. So Sarva Shveta you get, then Supratyaya, Sarva Shvetaha, Sarva Shvetau, Sarva Shvetaha, then decline. So Sarva Shveta is his Samasa. So here Sarvesham Shashti Vibhakti, Shveta Tara is Tara Pratyaya, it's the word expressing Guna, ending with Tara Pratyaya. Therefore, you can form compound. When you do compound Tara Pratyaya, the Tara gets Lopaha. So Sarva plus Am, Shveta Tara plus Su, Sarva Shveta Tara, Sarva Shvetaha iti Rupam. Similarly, Sarvesham Magat Taraha, Sarvesham of all, among the all, Magat Taraha is the greatest. Becomes Sarva Magat. Sarva Magat. Then Magat Shabda we know. Pullinga Vikshayam, Mahan Mahanto Mahantaha. Therefore, Sarva Mahan. If it is, of course, it is Pullinga here, so no problem. So Sarva Magat, ending with Magat Shabda. So Magat, how do you decline? So Mahan Mahanto Mahantaha. Therefore, greatest of all. That meaning Sarva Mahan Samasa. Shashti Tatpura Samasa by this, the Vartika under this Yajakadibischa. So this Vartika, you can see, it is an exception to the upcoming Sutram, Na Nirdharane. Nirdharanam. Nirdharanam is ascertaining the one among the many. That is called Nirdharanam, specifying the one among the many. If Nirdharanam is done, then Samasa cannot be formed. Na Nirdharanam, which is going to come. And also another sutra is Purana Guna Sukhitartha Sadavyaya Tavya Samanadi Karanena 2 to 11. So these sutras, they prohibit such compounds. Therefore, this Vartika is that. So therefore, this Vartika is an Apavada to the upcoming sutra, Nanirdharane 2 to 10 and 2 to 11. Okay, then we should know what is 2 to 10, 2 to 11. We are going to see. Therefore, this Vartika is Apavada, Pura Apavada. Now, we have seen this Yajakadibischa 2 to 9. Then we will see now from here onwards negation, starting from 2 to 9 onwards. For that, Na Nirdharane, very important sutra. From here, Na, from 10 to 16. That we are going to see. So negation is what we are going to see now. For negation, we should have knowledge of Vibhakti also. That's why we have seen already Vibhakti section where Shashti Vibhakti is ordained for Karta, Karma, etc. We have seen. So that we have to recall. So Na Nirdharane. Nirdharane, Na. That is Nirdharane Vartamanam, specifying, ascertaining, defining one among the many. Vartamanam, Shashti coming as Anuvrutti. So for Shashtyantam Subantam Padam, Samartena Subantena, Na Samasyate. That is the word in Shashti Vibhakti in the sense of nirdharanam, singling out. Singling out, specifying that, it's called singling. Nirdharanam cannot be compounded with another sabantam padam by the sutram Shashti. Shashti sutra, which ordains samasa, optionally that is negated. There is no option here. You cannot form samasa. Samasa is the option, vibhasha. Forming compound is vibhasha, option. That itself is denied by na nirdharane. Yatascha nirdharanam 2341. Iti 2341, then we have to go to the vibhakti section, 2341. 2341, we'll see that. 2350 is Shashti. Here it's all Shashti up to the end. Then 2341 also ordains Shashti. Where is 2341 here? Yatascha nirdharanam. Shashti anacha anadhare from 41 coming as anuvritti. Shashti from here 38 coming as anuvritti. And Panchami is also is that the next sutra. Therefore, when nirdharanam is there, Shashti vibhakti or Panchami, yatascha nirdharanam can be used. That is, by this sutra, to single out a thing from among the many, it's a Shashti vibhakti. Shashti, not Panchami, sorry, Saptami, because of Saptami vibhakti. Yatascha nirdharanam iti sutrena, Shashti vibhakti tatap Saptami vibhakti, not Panchami. Okay. Saptami. We will see example. All many examples are in Saptami. In Gita also we find many such examples. So yatascha nirdharanam iti sutrena, nirdharanam is assigned Shashti vibhakti or Saptami vibhakti. Nirdharane ya Shashti sa na samasyate. That is what the sutra says. That is Shashti vibhakti assigned to nirdharanam will not compound. Now let us see. Jati guna kriyabhihi samudayat ekadesha ekadeshasya pratakkaranam nirdharanam. This is what nirdharanam is. Pratakkaranam nirdharanam, singling out, specifying one thing among the samudaya, among the group. From a group, you specify, you single out a thing in terms of jati, guna, kriya. That is called nirdharanam. So, therefore, among the jati samudaya, among the samudaya in terms of jati, among the samudaya singling out a thing in terms of guna, among the group singling out a thing in terms of the kriya. That is called nirdharanam. When such nirdharanam is done, that nirdharanam will take Shashti vibhakti, that Shashti will not compound. Okay, now before that, we will see what are the factors involved in nirdharanam. Samudaya vachakaha, that is the group, samudaya means group, samuha, which could be jati, guna, or kriya, or sanya. Sanya also we can add, sanya. Then what is distinguished, what is specified among the group, that is called nirdharita. And what is the hetu for the reason, the cause, the factor, distinguishing factor. Distinguishing factor, that is nirdharana hetuhu. So when you do nirdharanam, these three factors will be there. When you do nirdharanam, these three factors has to be there. Then only nirdharanam can be done. Samudaya, that is a group. Nirdharita, what is singled out, and the factor by which you single out. The distinguishing factor, what is distinguished, and the group. These are the three factors involved in nirdharanam. Now take the example. Manushyanam atava manusheshu, saptami. So it's called nirdharana shashti. This is nirdharana saptami. Saptami, so many saptamis are there. Vishya saptami, parasaptami, sati saptami, adhikarana saptami, Aupashleshika Saptami, and now one more is the Nirdharana Saptami. Similarly, Shashti also we have seen many Shashti. Hridyoga Shashti, Sambandha Shashti. Among the Sambandha Shashti, different Sambandhas we saw. Avayava, Avayavi, Janaka, Janya, etc. iti. Then Pratipada Vidana Shashti, Kartari Shashti, Karmani Shashti. Now one more Shashti, Nirdharana Shashti. Manushyanam. Manushyanam is Jati. Among the Manushya. So that is a group. From among them, you are singling out the Kshatriya. This is Nirdharita. So Kshatriya is Nirdharita and this Manushya is a Jati. So therefore, Ekadesha Pratak Karanam Samudayat, Manushya Samudayat, Kshatriyasya Pratak Karanam, in terms of what? By what you distinguish them? Shuratamaha. That is a guna, a quality. That is their Shuraha, their Viraha ityartaha. Shuratamaha, among the Manusya, Kshatriyas are Shuratamaha, they are the warriors. They have the courage to fight. Shuratamaha, not Brahmanaha, not other Varna. Kshatriyaha, Shuratamaha. So now, Manushyanam, let us forget about Saptami. We are not interested in Saptami. Saptami, already we have seen Saptami Tat Purusha. Now, Manushyanam Kshatriyaha. Can you compound this? Manushyanam Kshatriyaha, Manushya Kshatriyaha. No. Why? Because Jati, among the Jati, Kshatriya is singled out by mentioning the factors of singling out, distinguishing factor. So when these are there and Nirdharana is done, then you cannot compound. Compounding is not allowed. So therefore, Manushyanam Kshatriyaha Shuratamaha will be remain as it is. Compounding cannot be formed. You cannot say Manushya Kshatriya. It's a problem. You cannot do it. Samudaya Vachaka, that is Manushyaha. Nirdharitam. What is Nirdharitam is Kshatriya. Nirdharana Hetu, Shurattam, the bravery. So therefore, when these three are there, then this Jati can be in Shashti. That is called Nirdharana Shashti. When Nirdharana Shashti is there, then it cannot combine. Na Nirdharane. So Yatascha Nirdharanam, by that sutra, Yatascha Nirdharanam, by this sutra, Shashti Vibhakti is ordained for this Samudaya, among which a thing is singled out by the specifying the hetu, the cause for singling out. That is Yatascha Nirdharanam. Such Nirdharanam cannot participate in Samasa, na Nirdharane. Okay. Then, so these three factors are there. Let us take another example. Gavam or Goshu, Shashti or Saptami. Gavam atava Goshu, Krishna, Sampanna Kshira Tamaha, Krishna the black. Among the cows, this is among the cows. This Krishna is Ekadesha Pratakarnam Krishna. Previously, Jati Pratakarnam. Kshatriya is a Jati. Among the Samudaya, Kshatriya Pratakarnam, Nirdharanam. Kshatriya is just Jati here. Not Manushya is a Jati. This is okay. This is a mistake. Kshatriya should be the Jati. Manushya is a Samuha, among which Kshatriya is what is singled out. So Kshatriya Jati. Okay. I said I put it wrong. That's wrong. Kshatriya is a Jati. And here Guna is singled out. Among the cows which are Krishna, black in color, they are Sampanna Kshiratamaha. They give more milk. So Guna Ekadesha Pratakkaranam among the Samudaya. Samudaya is the cows. Among the cows which are black in color, specified by the Guna, the quality. And what is the factor of distinguishing? Sampanna Kshiratamaha, because of its capacity to yield milk, it is distinguished. So all the three are the Samudaya, then nirdharita and nirdharana hetu. When it is there, then this nirdharana, which is in Shashti, has been ordained Shashti Bhakti by Yatast Nirdharanam, cannot combine with the Gunavachaka Shabda, that is Krishna here. With the Gunavachaka Shabda cannot combine. With the Gunavachaka or Jati Vachaka or Kriya Vachaka or Sanya Vachaka Shabdai Saha, Subantai Saha, Nirdharana Shashti na Samasyate. That is what Nirdharana na Nirdharane. Understand?
Yes,
Clear?
dear. Yes, dear.
Similar, Advaghanam or Advageshu, among those who among those Advaghanam, among those who move the path, not move, among the Advaga is the path, Advan, Advaha. So Advaha, I think Advaha is the one who moves, Advaha. Okay, one who moves, Advaha. Among because the Kriya is involved. Among the people who move, the Dhavan, the one who runs, Shigratamaha. Among the people who are moving, the one who runs is Shigratamaha. Is Shigratamaha means is very fast. So the one who runs is Shigratamaha, is fast among all the other who are moving. Advagana, who are moving or walking, whatever it is. Advageshu, referring to the group, Samudaya, which is doing some Kriya, movement. Among them, the one, you are singling out one, specifying a one, like Dhavan, Ramaha is there. Rama, you are specifying, the one who runs. Among all the people who are walking, the one who runs is Shigratamaha. Is Shigratama. Shigram is quick. Is Shigratamaha is fastest among them, fastest among all the people. So this is the distinguishing factor. Who is Shigratama? The one who runs. Ramaha. So Dhavan is Shatranta. Dhavanto, Dhavantaha. Therefore, here Pratakkaranam is done by the Kriya. Dhavana Kriya. So among the people who are walking, the one who runs, therefore Kriya Ekadesha Pratakkaranam. Therefore, you cannot, now Advaganam Dhavan, you cannot say. Advaganam Dhavan, you cannot compound. You cannot compound because all the three are there. Samudaya and the Kriya as well as the Nirdharana Hetu, Shigratama is there. When all the three factors are there, by giving all the three factors, a specified is singled out, then Nirdharana Shashti cannot combine and form Samasa. So Advaganam Dhavan, between the two, compounding is not allowed. Gavam and Krishna, between the two, compounding is not allowed. Manushya and Kshatriya, compounding is not allowed. Similarly, Chatranam Atava Chatreshu, among the students, Maitraha is the name of the person. That's why it is Sanya. Sanya, even though it is not given here, but you can add Sanya. Sanya also. I think I taken from Kashika, I think. So Sanya also you can take. Maitraha is the name of the person. Patuhu is clever. Among all the students, that Maitraha, that particular student, is clever. So this is the distinguishing factor. And who is distinguished? Maitraha, the person. So Chatrana Maitraha, can you form Samasa? Chatra Maitra, it is meaningless really. You cannot form. Chatra Maitra means, what is Chatra Maitra? Just like Shashti Bhakti is there, we cannot compound. So therefore, this is Nirdharana. Yatashta Nirdharanam iti sutrena Shashti Vibhaktihi. That Shashti निर्धारणार्थे या षष्ठी वर्तते सा षष्ठी सुबन्तेन सह न समस्यते. And here when nirdharita, nirdharana hetu, all are there. So when ekadesha pratakkaram nirdharanam is done, na samasyate. Similarly, gachatam among the moving, among the walking. Gachatam or gachatsu, dhavan shigra, the same. This is the same as this only. So this is a kriya ekadesha pratakkaranam. Next example, Nranam, among the human beings, or Nrishu, Brahmanaha Shreshtaha. Brahmana is Shreshtaha, Uttamaha. So, a Brahmana is Jati. Jati is singled out among the Samudaya. By the Etu, Nirdharana Etu, Shreshtaha is greatest. Shreshtaha. So, you are singling out Brahmana and because he is Shreshta. So, therefore, here also Nirdharanam with all the three factors, Nirdharana Ketu, Nirdharita, and Jati, and Samudaya is that. Therefore, Samudaya, which is expressed in Shashti, Nirdharana Shashti, cannot compound with the Jati Vachaka Shabda here, Brahmana, which is. Similarly, Manushyanam Kshatriyaha Suratamaha among the same as the previous one. The same, that is, I think, the same one. Manushyanam Kshatriyaha Shuratamaha. It's already we have done. Okay. Here also it is Jati Vachaka. Jati Ekadesha Pratakkaranam. Now, when Nirdharanam is done, these are all the example for Nirdharanam. In fact, this is what the Yathasya Nirdharanam Sutram says. Yathasya Nirdharanam, this is an explanation for Yathasya Nirdharanam. Vibhakti Sutra. So, now when Nirdharanam is done, then by the current Sutram, na Nirdharane, Samasa cannot happen. When Nirdharanam is done, then na Samasyate. You want many examples? Please see the Gita. Gita, 10th chapter. Adityanamaham Vishnuhu Jyotisham Raviram Shuman Marichir Marutam Asmi Nakshatranamaham Shashi. You can see here. Adityanam. Dwadasha Adityas are there. Samudaya. And Aham iti, Krishna is talking as Ishvara, singled out. Vishnu, I am the Vishnu. So this is the distinguishing factor. What is distinguishes Aham? And this is Samudaya. You cannot say Adityaham. No, Samasa cannot be formed. 10th chapter, many shlokas are there. All are Nirdharana Shashti. Similarly, Jyotisham, among the Jyotish, the luminaries. Ravihi, Suryaha is Amshuman. So you cannot combine this. Marichihi, here you have to put other way. This is a shloka as it is I have written. Marutam, among the Marut, I am the Marichi, Asmi. Marutam, Marichihi. Here also, Marutam, Marichihi. Here, even though the distinguishing factor is not there, but Nirdharanam is there, therefore cannot combine. Okay, when the Nirdharanam, for Nirdharanam, Samudaya and what is Nirdharita, these two are enough. Distinguishing factor is there, it is okay. If it is not there also, it is fine. If it is Nirdharana, then it cannot combine. So here you can see the example. Maruta Marichihi, there is no Nirdharana Hetu. Samudaya and what is Nirdharita? Nirdharita is Marichi, Samudaya is Marutam. Therefore, Nirdharana Shashti na Samasyate. Nakshatranam Aham Shashi. Among the nakshatra, Aham, I am the Shashi, I am Chandra. So here also, Nakshatranam Nirdharanam Shashti na Samasyate. Cannot combine. Okay, cannot say Nakshatra Shashi, Nakshatraham, cannot say. Similarly, many shlokas are there. Vedanam Samavedosmi. Vedanam Samavedaha Nirdharanam. And distinguished is Samavedaha. Devanam Vasavaha. Indriyanam Manaha, Bhutanam Cetana, Rudranam Shankaraha, Yaksharakshasam Vitteshaha, Vasunam Pavakaha, Shikarinam Merugu Aham. So Shikarinam Merugu Aham. Purodasam cha Mukhyam Viddhi Partha Bhrihaspatim, Senanam Asmi Skandaha, Agam Skandaha, Sarasam Asmi Sagaraha, Magarsheenam Mrugraham, Giram Asmi Aham Eka Aksharam, Giram among the words, Eka Aksharam Omkara, that is what is distinguished. So, Giram, Nirdharana Shashti, therefore no samasa. Yajnanam Japa Yajñosmi, Yajnanam Japa Yajñaha, singled out is Japa Yajñaha, and Yajnanam Nirdharana Shashti, therefore no samasa. Stavaranam Himalayaha, Sarvavrikshanam Ashwattaha, Devarshinam Naradaha, Gandharvanam Chitrarataha, Siddhanam Kapilaha, then Uchchai Shavasamashvanam, Uchchai Shavas, Ashvanam, Ashvanam Uchchai Shavas, Uchchai Shavasamashvanam, Ashvanam Uchchai Shavas, Viddhimamam Mrtodbhavam, Airavatam, Gajendranam, Airavatam, Naranam, Naradipam, the king, then Ayudhanam, Vajram, Dhenunam, Kamaduk, Prajanam, Kandarpaha, Sarpanam, Vasuki, Naganam, Anantaha, then Yadasam, Varunaha, Pitrunam, Aryama, Sanyatam, Yamaha, Daityanam, Prahladaha, Kalayatam, Kalaha, Brhanam, Brigendraha, Pakshina, Vainatayaha, iti. You can see all these are the examples. The whole 10th chapter, you will see so many Nirdhana Shashti. Okay, that's a very good example, 10th chapter. Kavinam, Kushana, Kavihi. So this is a good place to refer, Nirdhana Shashti. Saptami also is there in 7th chapter. I think in 7th. Rasoham Apsu Kaunteya, Rasaha Agam Apsu Kaunteya. In 7th chapter, you will see. Gita, Rasoham Apsu Kaunteya. Aham Apsu, among the water, Rasaha. There it is Nirdharana Saptami. So whether it is Nirdharana Saptami or Shashti. Nirdharana Saptami. For that example, you will find in 7th chapter. You can see later. Rasoham Apsu Kaunteya, it is there. Yes. That is the, you can take some more examples are there in 7th chapter. Nirdharana Saptami. Okay, the point is, samasa cannot happen. Now, Purushana Uttamaha, Purushottamaha is there. In fact, I told this before, but Purushana Uttamaha. Yeah. I don't know. I think I told the Purusharshabha I told. Okay, anyway. Purushana Uttamaha. Can you form samasa? Purushana Uttamaha, Purushottamaha. Here, Purusha, the Samudaya, and Uttama is Nirdharitam, but Nirdhara Hetu not there. Therefore, it is not Nirdharanam. So the three factors have to be present. But we saw some factor is not here somewhere. So the factor is not that, it's not that it is not there. It is there. It is there, it is hidden here. So the one I told, the factor which is, which one? I told the three factors must be there. Okay, even if one factor is not there, then it will not happen. So here I said one factor, Nirdhana Hetu, not there. In fact, it is there. In fact, it is there. Which example I told, I don't remember. Because in the Gita, the context is there. So therefore, that distinguishing factor, or everywhere Agam is understood. Okay. So even if Agam is not there, Agam is a distinguishing factor because it is context is there, therefore understood. See, Vitteshaha Yaksharakshasam. Yaksharakshasam Vitteshaha. So, Yaksharakshasam Itteshaha. Okay. Who is singled out? Agam. Agam is understood. Agam is not there. Therefore, it is can be formed samasa. Therefore, is it not Nirdhana Shashti? It is Nirdhana Shashti only. But Agam is not there. Because everywhere Agam is there. It is like a sutra, you have to bring Agam from the previous shloka. Pavakascha asmi. Pavakaha cha asmi is there. Asmi, you have to bring it. So, I mean, in the previous, asmi is later. I'm telling the previously, here manascha asmi, manaha cha asmi. So asmi is understood. Asmi means Agam. Asmi means Agam. So Agam is is what is distinguished. So, and distinguishing factors are there. So the samudaya and distinguishing factor, and what is distinguished. In Gita, what is distinguished may not be there explicitly in the 10th chapter, the examples, but it is understood. Okay. Therefore, Purushanam Uttamaha is here Purushottamaha. Purushanam Uttamaha Purushottamaha. Here Purusha and Samudaya are there. Distinguishing factor not there. Therefore, it is not Nirda. Therefore, not Nirdharanam. Therefore, not Nirdharanam. So, Purushanam Uttamaha. Purushaha is Samudaya. Among these Purusha, what is Nirdharitam is the Uttama, is Nirdharitam. Since the distinguishing is factor is not there, therefore it is not Nirdharanam. Therefore, Shashti has been formed not by Nirdharana Shashti. Only the three factors are there, then only it is Nirdharana Shashti. Therefore, here also the examples I just given, you have to find, okay, where that which has all the three factors. If all the three factors are not there, then it is not Nirdharana Shashti. Okay. Then you can form samasa. If it is Nirdharana Shashti, if it is not Nirdharana Shashti, then we can form samasa. If it is Nirdharana Shashti, then all the three factors have to be there. All the three factors have to be there. Then it's called Nirdharana Shashti. If it is Nirdharana Shashti, then samasa cannot be formed. If any of the factor is missing, then it is not Nirdharanam. And Shashti is not because of Nirdharanam. Shashti may be because of the Shashti, Shesha Shashti or whatever the Shashti, what we are seeing here, Akad Yoga Shashti, then samasa is possible. Okay. So this 10th chapter, you will see many Nirdharana Shashti. I just copied all the shlokas here, but we have to look into that. It is, which is Nirdharana, which is not. Okay. Fine. This is given, this explanation is given. Purushana Uttamaha, this question comes. In fact, one commentator, he explains Purushottamaha, because Purushottama, the word is used in Gita itself. In Gita itself, the Purushottama is there. The Arjuna being addressed Purushottamaha. Here, it is not Nirdharana Shashti. Therefore, samasa is not prohibited. This is according to the Kayyata, the commentator to the Mahabhashya. Kayyata, according to him, so that Samudaya, then which is Nirdharita and Nirdharana Yetu. Only when these three are there, then what is called Nirdharanam. So, if Nirdharanam is not there, then it can be considered as Sambandha Shashti. We can consider it as Sambandha Shashti. So, we have to see the context. Okay. I just copied all the shlokas here, but we have to look into these shlokas. If it is Sambandha Shashti, then samasa can be formed. If it is Nirdharana Shashti, then no samasa. Okay. Adityanam Ravihi Amshuman. So there you cannot form samasa very clearly. Among the Aditya, Ravihi is singled out and is Amshuman. Is Amshuman, is Ravihi. So there Aditya Ravihi you cannot say. There Aditya Ravihi you cannot say because the Shashti because of Nirdharanam. So the Shashti which is ordained by Yatashti Nirdharanam, that Shashti will not participate in samasa. Whereas here, in this example, this is just to show you the Counter example here, Purushanam Uttamaha. Here Purusha and Uttama is there. What is the factor by which you distinguish? That is not the. So therefore, you cannot negate samasa. Samasa can be formed. Purushanam Uttamaha. So here Purushanam Shashti is not Nirdharana Shashti. Because it is not Nirdharana Shashti, therefore it will come under Shesha Shashti, Sambandha Shashti. Therefore, Purushottamaha can be formed. Okay. So, therefore, compare this with Purushanam Uttamaha with either with the Gita Shloka, Jyotisham Ravihi Amshuman, or you can take this as a good example. Nirnam Brahmanaha Sreshtaha. Nirnam Nishu Brahmanaha Sreshtaha. Brahmana is there, and Sreshtaha is Nirdharana Hetu. And Nirnam. Here you cannot form Samasa. You cannot say Manushya Brahmanaha. No. Manushya Brahmana may be, the context may be possible, where Sreshta is not mentioned. When the word Sreshta is not there in the context, then where you can say Manushya Brahmana. So not that Manushya Brahmana can never be formed. It all depends on the context. And all the three factors are there, and the Shashti is ordained by Nirdharana, just Nirdharanam, then only it will not combine. Only Nirdharana Shashti will not combine. So we have to find out from the context, from the shloka, here, the Gita shloka, whether it is Nirdharanam or not. But most of them are Nirdharana Shashti only, in fact. So no problem with regard to this. Okay. So if it is Nirdharanam, then no Shashti, no Samasa. So Purushanam Uttamaha, there it is no Nirdharanam, therefore Shashti can be formed. The commentator says Purushottamaha. It is a valid Samasa. Purushanam Uttamaha, Purushottamaha. What is the reason by which you say that is not said? If it is said, then becomes Nirdharana. Purushottamaha, we can form. Purusha Rishabha, we say. Rishabha. Purushanam Rishabha. In fact, we say Purushaha Rishabha iva. The Purusha is like a Rishabha. It is Upamita. So that is Upamana is done. That Purusha, when Gita is the Purusha Rishabha. Purushanam, that Purushaha Rishabha iva. Not Purushanam Rishabha. Purushanam Rishabha, you can say. And if you understand the Rishabha meaning, the greatest Uttama iti. Purushanam Rishabha. Rishabha, if it is Uttama, then Purushanam Rishabha, you can say. In Gita, it is said Purushaha, Purusharshabha, Purushaha, Rishabha iva. Is like a Rishabha. Rishabha is powerful, stronger. Therefore, Purushaha, Rishabha iva. Upamana, Upamita, it is. Upamana, Upamita Sambandha is. So that Tamasa is formed by that. Anyway, so here, the important thing to be noted is Purushana Uttamaha Samasa is allowed. Because the Nirdharana Hetu being not there, Nirdharana Hetu Abhavat Samasaha na Nishidhyate. Samasa is not denied, so can be formed. Please note this. Okay, up to this, done. Any doubt in this? These examples only to show the Shashti. Okay, this is Gita examples only to show the Shashti Bhakti here. You can see Nirdharana Shashti. I just copied all the shlokas from there. Nirdharana Shashti. Okay. Nirdharana Shashti and Nirdharana Saptami, etc.
So this 2341 says one if there is Nirdharanam, it can take Shashti Vibhakti.
It will take Shashti.
That's it. Okay.
Yatascha Nirdharanam. Nirdharanam will take Shashti.
Okay.
Samudaya. The Samudaya Vachaka Shabda will take Shashti Vibhakti. Among the Samudaya only, the Jati or Guna or Kriya or Sanya is singled out by the mentioning of the Nirdharana Hetu. So, when that is there, then the Shashti what we ordain to Samudaya is called Nirdharana Shashti.
Okay.
that also Shashti also to distinguish from the Shesha Shashti, Kartari Shashti, Karmani Shashti. Why that is required at the Sindhadharana? Because in Samasa, compounding is not allowed. Therefore, that is the connection. 2, 3,
Yeah.
41.
There is
right?
Nirdaranam, there is no Samasa.
No Samasa.
Okay.
No
Okay.
Samasa. So here there is no Nirdhanam. Purushanam Uttamaha. Okay, that you have to know.
Yeah.
Suppose Purushanam Uttamaha, one suppose Uttama based on some guna. Shuratamaha, suppose if you say, then you cannot form. Please note.
Yeah. The three
Purushanam,
factors has to be.
yes, Purushanam Uttamaha is great among them because of some bravery or some other factor, whatever it is, Shuraha, Purushanam Uttamaha, Shuratamaha, then you cannot compound. When another factor, distinction factor is there, then it is clearly this is not Sambandha Shashti. It becomes Nidana Shashti. Yes, then you cannot compound. That is why I said you can see the examples. Okay. So I don't want to just say all the Shashti Bhakti of the Gita, the 10th chapter or Nidana Shashti. I just copy pasted, but you have to find out. Okay. Most of them I think should be Nidana Shashti only. Okay. In this example itself, I say again, Purushanam Uttamaha, since distinguishing factor is missing, therefore this Shashti is not Nidana Shashti. Therefore, Samasa is not denied. Samasa happens. If I say Purushanam Uttamaha, Shuratamaha, something, then the Shashti is Nirdhana Shashti. Yatascha Nirdhana by that sutra. Shashti is because Shashti is ordained, therefore that Shashti na Nirdharane iti sutrena na samasyate. This note. Okay. So we have to know the context, you have to know all the three, whether three factors are there or not. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, Ji.
Yes. Because
Yes,
I said before, even when the distinguishing factor is not there, I correct. Okay, it is not there means it is if it is understood, it is not explicitly said. Even if it is understood, then also it is Nirdhanam only. Okay, then Shashti Samasa will not happen. Okay, that please note that. Here just Purushanam Uttamaha, that's all. No contest, nothing. Purushanam Uttamaha. Here also in Gita, it says Purushanam Uttamaha. We may give interpretation. Arjuna is Uttama because he is Shuratama, etc. But is it mentioned there? No. In what basis he is called? Because of his nobility, because of the Dharmika. Something should be there, right? If it is mentioned, then you cannot form Samasa. Because Shashti is not Nirdhana, and the Shashti is Nirdhana Shashti. Then you cannot form Samasa. Okay, this is a important point which the Kayyata mentions. That's why I have added this as a footnote. Okay.
Currently, if it is Purushanam Jnani Uttamaha, then it compounding not possible.
Purushanam, yes. Purushanam Jnani
Jnani
Uttamaha, you cannot form compound. Yes.
Ah.
Among the Purusha, he is a Jnani, he is Uttama. Then you cannot say. Purusha Jnani, you cannot say. It's absurd, no? You cannot form Samasa. Yes, right.
Same way Purushanam Arjunaha Uttamaha Shreshtaha, that also we cannot form the service.
You cannot form Samasa. Purushanam Arjunaha Uttamaha. Purusha Arjuna, you can say. No.
No. Yeah.
Purushottamaha Arjunaha, that is okay. And Purushottamaha referring to the Arjuna, because Samanadikaranyam, Arjuna is what is referred to. That's okay. But
Yeah.
Purushanam Arjunaha Uttamaha. But Purusha and Arjuna, can you form Samasa? No.
No. No. Yeah.
Samasa between the Nirdhara, Samasa between the Shashti, the Samudaya, I mean, I'm just saying Samudaya, Samasa between the word and what is singled out, right? Between that. Between them, please understand, I'm not confusing, I don't want to confuse you.
That's clear, Ji. No.
What I
No,
want
no,
to say
clear,
is,
sir. That is clear now.
if you take this, Manushyanam Kshatriyaha, Manushyanam Kshatriyaha, this is, if it is the Shashti, just a Shashti, Sambandha Shashti, when there's with this word, instead of Uttamaha Kshatriya, Manusya Kshatriya possible, you can say. But distinguishing factor is there, then you cannot form samasa. So what I'm saying is the Shashti combining with the Jati. Jati Vachaka Shabda, Guna Vachaka Shabda, Kriya Vachaka Shabda, Sanya Vachaka Shabda. So Shashtantam Sabantam Padam, Jati Guna Kriya Vachaka Sabantena Saha Samasyate, provided the Shashti is Shesha Shashti, Samandha Shashti. If it is Nirdharana Shashti, it becomes Nirdharanam only when Nirdharana Hetu is specified. Tarhi na Samasyate. That's what I want to say. Okay.
Okay.
Clear, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, then. So all the three factors have to be there. That's important. Next sutra, 2-11. Purana Guna Suhitartha. I think this I have not completed typing. Okay, I will do each and every I will do typing. Purana Guna Suhitartha Sadavyaya Tavya Samanadikarana. We chanted this. Purana. What is Purana? Purana is complete. The Pratyaya first, second, third, fourth. What is that Purana? That Sankhyeya Shabda is that Purana. We have sutra in Tasya Purane Dhat. That's a Tadita Pratyaya. Is that Purana means complete. That is the word indicating the, yes, ordinals. Ordinals is Sankhyeya. Purana. Puranarte. Dat Pratyaya. Tasya Purana Dat. One Tadita Pratyaya is that. I'll show you. Purana, then Guna, then Suhitartha. Suhitartha is that which is gives words implying tripti, satisfaction. Then here you have to split Sat, then Avyaya. What is Sat? What is Sat? Sat is a Sanya. Tau Sat, that is Shatra and Shanach are called by the name Sat. Shatra, Shanach are called by the name Sat. Like Nishta, the word for Tavatu. Similarly, Shatra, Shanach, we have seen this, not new. We have seen in Shatra, Shanach, if you remember. Sat, Tau Sat, then Avyaya, then Tavya, then Samanadikaranena. That is very important. Okay. Now, Vedanta Kaumudi, simple. Puranadhyartahi sadhadibhischa shashti na samasyate. This year also, shashti tat purusha is negated. For what? That is, shashtyantam subantam padam purana pratyanta gunavachi, not ganavachi. Gunavachi suhitartha, that is truptyartaka. Suhitartha is truptyartaka. Then Sat, Avyaya, Tavya, Tavya Pratyanta, Samanadikarnavachi iti etaihi subantaihi saha, Shashtyantam subantam na samasyate. That is a word in Shashti Bhakti. Is not compounded with ordinal numbers. That is Pratama, Dvitiya, Tritiya. Those are ordinals. They have the Pratyaya, Purna Pratyaya. We will see what is Purna Pratyaya. Then words denoting qualities, Guna. Then words implying satisfaction, Tripti. The words implying satisfaction, Tripti, ending with the Pratyaya, Sat. What is Sat? Tau Sat. Tau Sat 3-27. If you see, Shatra and Shanach are called by the name Sat. Sat. Tau Sat. Sutra is Tau Sat. That is Shatra and Shanach. Kashika, if you say, here it is. Tau, that is, what is Tau? Shatra Shanachau. Such Sanyakau Bhavataha. Shatra and Shanach as a Sanya, Sat. Like Nishta for Tatavatu, similarly. So therefore, that words implying satisfaction, Tripti, the words implying satisfaction, Tripti, the participle and ending with the Sat Pratyaya 3-27, and or with the indeclinable avyaya, or ending with the pratyatavya, or with the word denoting the same object. Samanadikaranam, which are in opposite. Samanadikaranam is, words having the same vibhakti, same vachanam, same vibhakti, same vachanam, same samanadi, same linga, samanadikaranam, opposition. With that, Shashti word, na samasyate. Okay, let's note. And here, the word artha is there. The artha, suhitartha, artha should be connected to the first three words. Puranartha, gunartha, suhitartha, not sahitartha. Suhitartha, please note. Puranartha, gunartha, suhitartha. So, Shashtiantam Subantam Padam, Puranartha Subantena, Gunartha Subantena, Sugitartha Subantena, Samasyate, with also with other words. Sat, Avya, Tavya, Pratyanta, Samanadi, Karana, Karanegi, Subantegi, Saha, Nasamasyate. We will see examples for all. Now let us take first Purana. What is Purana Pratyaya? Purana Pratyaya refers to Pratyas which are coming in the sense of, which are added in the sense of. Purana Pratyaya refers to Pratyas in the sense of, mentioned in the Purana Pratyas, refer to Pratyas which in the meaning of that which completes. Pratyas in the meaning of that which completes. Tasya Purane Dat. That's a Pratyaya. Dat Pratyaya. For that is the sense of that which completes. Panchama means completion. Purana, up to fifth standard, the completed means what? Fifth standard completed. Fifth is a fifth person or sixth chapter. Sixth chapter. So that is Puranartha. That is Sankhya, we said. Sankhya is cardinal. Sankhya is Ekam Dvetrini Chatvari, etc. Sankhya Pratama Dvitiya Tritiya. So Pratama the word. That is because of the Pratyaya, Dat Pratyaya. So Puranartha Dat. Dat Pratyaya is Tadita Pratyaya, 5-2 chapter. I just show you we are not interested in that. Otherwise our topic will go there. Just to note, Puranartha Dat Pratyaya Bhavati. With the word Sankhya, with the numbers. So, Katsi Kashika. Tasya iti Shashti Samartat. Sankhya Vachinaha Pratipadikat. Sankhya Ekam Dvetrini, etc. Purane iti asmin arte, in the sense of completion. Dat Pratyaha Bhavati. What is Puranam? Puryate. Anena iti Puranam, that by which it's completed. Okay, therefore, you can see Ekadashaha. Okay, Ekadasha, okay. Panchanam, Pushtikanam, okay, this example not required. We'll go to our example because we have to see this sutra. Then that example will be there. Yeah, Panchama you take. Chatranam Panchamaha. Panchama is Purana Pratyanta Shabda, which is derived from the Sankhya Pancha, Panchan. Then Panchan plus Dat, you get Panchama, meaning fifth. Chatranam Panchamaha, among the students is a fifth one. So, Panchama is ordinal. And Chatranam, Shashti Vibhakti. Chatranam Panchamaha. What Shashti is that? Is it Nirdhana Shashti? If you say Chatranam Panchamaha, where is the Nirdhana Hetu? If Nirdhana Hetu is there, then the sutra is not required. The sutra is covered by the very previous sutra itself. Na Nirdharane. We don't need that, right? Therefore, Chatranam Panchamaha, it is not by Nirdharana Shashti. It is not by Nirdharana Shashti. It is Shashti. Shesha Shashti. That's all. Shesha means Ukta Danyaha Shashti. Shesha is Sambandha Shashti. We say not always Sambandha here. Ukta Danyaha Shashti. Shesha Shashti. Chatranam Panchaha. Not Nirdharana Shashti. If it is Nirdharana Shashti, then also it will not combine. Then Nirdharana Hetu must be there. Anyway, so this sutra denies Samasa. Shashtiantam Subantam Padam Purana Pratyayanta Subantena Saha na Samasyate. Therefore, no compounding here. Chatranam Panchamaha. You cannot say Chatra Panchama, you cannot say. But it's wrong. samasa cannot be formed with the Purana Pratyanta word. Okay. And Satam Shashtaha. Satam, sixth person among the Satam, sadhu, good people. Sadhunam Shashtaha. Shashta is ordinal Purana Pratyanta word. Satam Shashti Bhakti, not by Nirdharanam. It is Sheshe Shashti. Then no compounding. I think it must be Shesha Shashti, not Nirdharana. So that is therefore we can put it in the common basket. Utta Danyaha, Shesha Shashti. But Shesha Shashti we said that will combine. But here, that's why the Sutram is there. The Sutram denies Samasa. Okay. So these are example for Purana Pratyanta words. With the Purana Pratyanta words, Shashti Bhakti cannot combine. So in the Sutram, so we have seen Purana. Then Guna. You take Gune. Guna is with the word expressing qualities. Kakasya, Karshnyam. Kakasya. It's a Sambandha. Kakasya Karshnyam of the Kaka. Sheshe Shashti. So blackness of the crow. So Karshnyam, that is word is derived from the Krishna, dark, black. So Kakasya Karshnyam. So the blackness of the crow. So with the word Guna Vachaka Shabda, when it combines, then no samasa. Karshnyam is Guna Vachaka Shabda. Therefore, you cannot say Kaka Karshnya. No, cannot form. This sutra denies 2 to 11. Then from here, I'll give other examples because many are there. Tasya, Purana, Guna, then Sugitartha, etc. are there. So we'll see all this. I'll type now. Guna Vachaka, we can see one more example also. The stock example is there. That is, you can see Kashika or Siddhanta Kaumudi 2 to 10. Right, 2 to 11. So, Puranate Chatranam Panchamaha, Chatranam Dashamaha. Then Gunavachaka Balakayaha Shauklyam, Kakasya Karshnyam. Okay, then I'll give one more example, not given here. It is Brahmanana. Brahmanana or Brahmanasya, whatever it is. Brahmanasya. Brahmanasya Shuklaha. Brahmanasya Shuklaha. Shuklaha means the white. So, white, what is white? The Brahmanasya Shukla, you can say Brahmanasya Shuklaha Dantaha, suppose. Dantaha. Dantaha is not mentioned. It is understood. If it is mentioned, then it is Nirdharana Shashti. Shuklaha, suppose the context, Brahmanasya Shuklaha. Shukla means white. The white of the Brahmin, not white Brahmin. The white of the Brahmin. So referring to Dantaha. So Nirdharana Hetu must be there, specified. If it is specified, then Nirdharana Shashti. But it is understood. Okay. Even if it is understood, then that is not enough. You have to specify it. Specification is required. So therefore, we can take it as Shesha Shashti only. Therefore, by this sutra, if it is Nirdhanam, then we don't need this sutra. The sutra, we don't have to mention Guna. It's going to be negated by Nirdhana Shashti itself. Because the sutra is there, therefore, by this sutra, Brahmanasya Shuklaha, Brahmana Shukla cannot be formed. Dantaha is understood here as in the context. Nirdhana Hetu, but not specified. Therefore, only this by this sutra 2 to 11, Purana Guna Sugitartha, by that sutra, Samasa is denied because the Shuklaha is a Guna Vachaka Shabda. Shukla is Guna Vachaka Shabda, therefore no compounding. Shuklaha is a Gunavachaka Shabda, therefore no compounding. Then then here another important thing, here we have the sutram. We have a sutram, Tadashishyam Sanya Pramanatvat. Sanya Pramanatvat. That is a sutram. Sorry. What happened? Okay. I have to type it again. There is a sutram, Tada Shishyam Sanya Pramanatvat. We'll check this sutram in the website. Just to check the number and where it is. Yes, 1253. Tadashishyam. We are not interested in what the sutram says. We are interested in the word Sanya Pramana. Sanya Pramanatva. Sanya is one word. Pramana is another word. That's samasa between the two. What samasa? Sanyayaha Pramanatvam Sanya Pramana. So, here, I think the author would not have mentioned. Okay, it says Sanya Pramana. Here, Pramana, the word,
It's given
is
G,
a
Sankyayaha Pramanam. It's given.
yeah, Pramana, but that not the word Gunavachaka Shabda. The Pramana is a Gunavachaka Shabda.
Okay.
Pramana is a Gunavachaka Shabda. So the compound here is Sanyayaha Pramanam Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa. This is that explanation I saw that you will not give here. Anyway, that's not given here. Maybe in 2 to 11, maybe somewhere it would have given possibly as an example for that. Or Nyasa or Padamanjari. Yeah, yes, given. Yes. You can see Siddhanta Kumadika gives. I should go there. Tadashishyam Sanya Pramanatva Ityadi Nirdeshat. Please note that this is what Anityam Anityaha Ayam Gunena Pratishedaha Nishedaha. This guna, which is negated by this sutra 2 to 11, Na Purna Guna Sugitartha, that negation is Anitya. That is, this negation, this prohibition is not obligatory. How do you say that? Because we have a pramana. What pramana? The sutra is a pramana. The sutra itself is a pramanam because here pramana, the word is gunavachaka shabda, and sanya iti shashtyantam subantam padam samasyate sanya with gunavachaka shabda sanya pramanam. So therefore Gunavachaka Shabda, it will not combine, we say, it is not absolutely applicable. Therefore, it is Anityaha. So, therefore, it is Anityaha means it is, if you see Shishta Purusha using the Samasa, then we have to account for it. For which Pani Maharishi Sutra itself is a Pramanam. So, this Vakya from Siddhanta Kaumudi, you can note. Tadashishyam Sanya Pramanatvat. Anityaha ayam guna nishedaha. What is the pramanam? This is sutra is a pramanam. 1 to 53. I will write. Ityadi nirdeshat. Atra asmin sutre sanya pramanam. Sanyayaha pramanam. Asmin sutre sanya pramanam is a compound. Sanya pramanam. Samasaha bhavati. Sanya pramanam is a compound. Sanya pramanam. The compounding of Sanya pramanam is the compounding of Sanya Pramanam is the Pramanam for making the prohibition, the sutra which prohibits, for making the prohibition not obligatory, not compulsory. Asmin sutre Sanya Pramanam Samasah Bhavati. Sanya Pramanam is Sanyayaha Pramanam Sanya Pramanam. Shashti Tat Purusha Samasa. So Panini Maharshi himself, because of his usage, he says, he uses by that he says, Sanyayaha Pramanam Sanya Pramanam Samasa. Okay, I will write some more. Here Pramanam is Gunavachaka Shabda. Pramanam Gunavachaka. Therefore, Sanya iti. This is all my write-up. Okay, this is Sanya iti. Shashtyantam. Sanya iti. Sanyayaha iti. Sanyayaha iti. Shashtyantam Subantam Padam. Shashtyantam Subantam Padam. Gunavachaka Shabdaihi. Gunavachaka Pramana Shabdaihi. Pramana, in this example, in the sutta, Gunavachaka Pramana Subantena Saha Samasyate. Saha Sama Subantena Saha Samasya. Okay, this is a Lyap Pratyaya. Samasya Samasaha Bhavati. Therefore, the compounding of Sanya Pramanam, the word itself becomes a Pramanam. Therefore, the compounding of Sanya Pramanam is a Pramanam for making the prohibition not obligatory. I hope you understand. Right?
Yes,
Explanation
clear.
of Siddhanta Kaumudi.
Yes.
This is Vakya of Siddhanta Kaumudi. This is our explanation. Asmin Sutre Sanya Pramanam Sanyayaha Pramanam iti Samasaha Bhavati.
The guna which is negated by this 2 to 11 is not obligatory, correct?
Not obligatory, yes.
Okay.
Because for which Panini Sutra itself is the Pramanam. Pramanam Gunavachakaha Sanyayaha iti Shashtantam Svantam Padam Gunavachaka Pramana Svantena Samasya. Samasya is Lepratyaya. Okay, so Samasya Samasaha Bhavati. Therefore, the compounding of Sanya Pramanam is the word, compounding of the word Sanya Pramanam is the Pramanam for making the prohibition not obligatory. Okay. Therefore, we have the example. I think he has given that to the example here. Here itself. Where is it? Tena Artha Gauravam. Artha Gauravam. Tena, by which? Artha Gauravam. Gaurava is Gunavachaka Shabda. Artha Gauravam. Then Buddhi Mandyam, the dullness of the Buddhi. Buddhyaha Mandyam, Buddhi Mandyam. Arthasya Gauravam, Artha Gauravam. Gaurava, the heaviness, the Arthasya Gauravam, Artha Gauravam. Buddhehe Mandyam, Buddhi Mandyam. Ityadi Siddham. The samasas are there. In the language it is there. How it is Siddham? Gaurava being a Gunavachaka, how can Shashti Bhakti join? Because the Sutram itself is a Pramana. Tadashishyam Sanya Pramanatvat. That is the Pramana making this not obligatory. Therefore, Samasa form. Not we can form. This is only when Shishta Purusha use Samasa, then we have to interpret. This is how it would have been formed. So therefore, it is not an easy work. It's very difficult to find out by how it is just come. This is suppose if we come across with such words, then we have to find out how this is valid. There are some words I just mentioned. We have to find out. Therefore, it's not easy. Anyway, just you can note. Therefore,
Apavada to the apavada.
But we should remember this is there in the sutra, etc. Everything we won't be able to remember. Therefore, very difficult. Anyway, just for our knowledge, this requires repeated reading. Then only it will come. Not one day reading.
Yeah.
Samasa, in fact, you get mastery of samasa after resolving so many samasa or forming so many. Resolving samasa, that is a challenge. So the compounds, Artha Gauravam, Buddhi Mandyam, etc. What is Artha Gauravam? Arthasya Gauravam, Artha Gauravam. I will write to samasa that vigraha also. Arthasya Gauravam, Artha Gauravam. Gaurava is Gunavachaka. Similarly, Buddhehe. Buddhehe Mandyam. Okay. Buddhi Mandyam, para form. We can note this. So this is from Siddhanta Kaumudi. Then, so far what we have seen. So far we have seen for Guna is over. Then we will see Sugitartha. Next one. Next one is Sugitartha. Guna done, then Sugitartha. Sugita means satisfied. I will just type. Sugita means satisfied. Triptihi. So let us take the example. I didn't get time, otherwise I would have typed this before. Palanam Sugitaha. Suppose if we take Palanam Sugitaha. Sugitaha is ta pratyaya, right? Sugitaha ta pratyaya, the shabda. So Palanam Sugitaha. 1 minute here. Palanam Sugitaha is okay. I think here in my translation, it is just a minute. One thing is that I wrote it, but copied it, but I said it wrongly here. The word in Shashti Bhakti is not compounded with ordinals and words with the words denoting qualities and the words implying satisfaction. So here comma should be there. Okay.
Yeah, there's like two separate
That
things.
is
Yeah.
two separate things. I just joined it. When I was reading, when I was reading, I was confused, but okay, I thought, well, the examples come, we will see. Now there's going to be the next example. It's not compounded with is connected to everything. Okay. Otherwise, it's not compounded with ordinals, not compounded with the words. You have to put here with. Okay,
Yeah.
please note with words.
Yes.
With the words implying satisfaction. Then with the participle ending in such. So it is nothing with that, because when I was telling this example, that the example is Sugita. Sugita is not a Sat Pratyanta, right? So, okay. I copy pasted and I read as it is, but that's comma is missing. Okay, please note that. Sugita is Nishta Pratyaya. So, Nishta Pratyanta. Palanam Sugitaha. Now, Sugitaha is Triptyartaka. It is Suhitartha. That is Triptyartaka word. The word implying the Triptyartha. So, with the Triptyartaka word, Shashtyantam Sabantam Padam na samasyate. So, Palanam Sugitaha, no compounding. You cannot say Pala Sugitaha, no compounding. Compounding not allowed. That is what the sutra says. But Pala Sugitaha is possible. How is it possible then? Palanam Sugitaha, no compounding. But Pala Sugitaha is possible. That is, you can say, so what does it mean, Pala Sugitaha? Suppose if I say Pala Sugitaha, Sugitaha is Nishta. So therefore, it's referring to the one who is satisfied, right? Karma.
Yeah.
The one who is satisfied
By the karma.
with the fruits.
With the
Therefore,
pala.
there it is, Palai Sugitaha. It is not
Tritiya.
Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa. It is Tritiya Tatpurusha Samasa. In Tritiya, it is not prohibited. Only for Shashti, it is prohibited. Palaihi Sugitaha. Okay, let me write so that be clear. Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa is Shashti Tatpurusha only prohibited. Shashti Tatpurusha eva Nishedaha. Not na anya. Na anya Tatpurusha. Right? Udaharanam, the same example. Palaihi Sugitaha, if you take. Pala Sugitaha. It means what? The person. Sugitaha referring to that person. The one who is satisfied with the fruits. So therefore, Pala Sugitaha we can do. So by what we form samasa? Tritiyantam suvantam padam, the Tritiya. Tritiya tatkruta guna vachanena, the sutram is there. So you do yoga vibhaga and then you can form samasa. Tritiyartha, Tritiya tad, what is that? Guna vachanena. What is that sutram? In the samasa vidayaka sutra, Tritiya tat purusha, then followed by the Tritiya. Tritiya tatkrutartha, I think Gunavachanena.
Gunavachanena only. Yes.
Yes, that sutra you can take and you do the yoga vibhaga. Then Tritiyantam Subantam Padam, Subantena Sagasamasate, we can form compound. By that, Palaihi Sugitaha, Parasugitaha. So, yeah, okay, let me write that also. So, here, the compound is formed by the yoga vibhaga of the sutra. Yoga vibhaga of the sutram. Sutram will copy paste. Tritiya Tatkruta the Gunavachanena. That is 2-130. The compound is formed by 2-130. Okay. The compound is formed. Tritiya Tatpurusha Samasa. So there it is allowed. Shashti Tatpurusha only, it will not form. Is it clear?
Yes, Ji.
So you can check this sutra. I think this example should have been given. 2-2-11. Sugitartha. Siddhanta Kaumadi. Sugitartaha Triptyartaha. Palanam Sugitaha. Tritiya Samasastu Syadeva. This is what I use. Tritiya Samasastu. How Tritiya Samasa is formed? Sware Visheshaha. There is a difference in the Swara. So, therefore, Tritiya Tatpurusha. Just copy this. Sugitartha is Triptyartaha and Siddhanta Kaumadi is good here. So, that's why I take Siddhanta Kaumadi. Sugita meaning satisfied. Sugitartaha Triptyartaha. And Palanam Sugitaha is an example. Tritiya Samasastu Syadeva. Why? Because Swara Visheshaha. In Samasa, there are Swaras. So, in Tritiya Tatpurusha Samasa, because there is Swara Vishesha, there is a different Swara. Swara different from the Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa. Therefore, it is allowed. It's formed. Swara Visheshaha. Anyway, Swara Visheshaha is additional information, not because of Swara. Tritiya Samasastu Syadeva. And in Tritiya Samasa, the Swara is different. Swara is different from the Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa. Anyway, Swara Jnanam, we don't have, it's okay. Right? So, not because of Swara Vishesha that this is formed. Swara Vishesha only when formed Samasa. So, after forming the Samasa, only Swara Vishesha will be. Okay. So, Tritiya Samasa by that Tritiya Kritata Guna Vachanena, then it is the Swara of this Tatpurusha Samasa. The Swara of this word is different from Shashti Vibhakti.
Yeah, when we are uttering the Palasuhitaha, there will be a Swara. That means.
Swara. Generally, Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa, when you say Rajapurushaha, there is a different Swara. Tatpurusha Samasa. Like Indrashatru Vardasva.
Ah, yes.
There it has to be Udata. I think it is maybe Udata Swara. Whereas when he said in a different Swara, he made that into a swara which gave the meaning of Bhagubrigi. Right? So that time the meaning itself changed. So Indra Shatru, Indrasya Shatru, Indra Shatru. So if you do Indrasya Shatru, Tatpurush Samasa, Shashti Tatpurush Samasa, that Anta last letter, vowel, it's Udata Swara. But what happened? He said it's a Swara where the Purva Pada, that Swara, the Swara in the Purva Pada, it gets Udata Swara, Adi Udata. That is Indra Shatru, that E becomes Udata Swara. When E becomes Udata, only in Bhagubriki. Therefore, Indraha Shatruhu Yasyasaha, totally meaning is different. Indra Shatru being the word. If it is Adi Udata, then it is Bhagubriki. If it is Anta Udata, Shatru, E is the first letter, Shatru, U is the last letter. Right? If it is Anta Udata, it is Satpurusha. If it is Adi Udata, it is Bhagubriki. Okay. So, therefore, in Tatpurusha, Anta Udata will be there. And in Tatpurusha Samasa. In Tritiya Tatpurusha Samasa, there is Swara Vishesha. What Swara Vishesha, we don't know. Just note that Swara Vishesha is there for Tritiya Tat. Of course, must be there. Tritiya Tatpurusha Samasa. That's is indicating Siddhanta Kumadikara. Okay, this is Sugitartha. Over. 10. Next one, Sat. Sat is that Shatra Shanach. For that, we will see example. We can take Kurvan. Kurvan is Shatranta. Krudatoho Shatranta Rupam. Kurvan. Brahmanasya Kurvan. Doing of the Brahmana. Brahmanasya Kurvan, this is Shatranta, or you can take Shanaj also. Because Sat means both. Shatra Shanaj. Brahmanasya, what will be the Shanaj Rupam of Kurvan? I mean, of Krudatu.
Kurvana.
Kurvanaha. Kurvanaha, right?
Yeah.
Can you form Samasa? No. No compounding allowed here. Why? Because with the Sat, that is Shatrantam Shanachantam Padena Saha Shashti Tat Purusha Shashti Antam Subantam Na Samasyate. This is enough. I think the example stuff is clear. I want to complete the sutra, another 5 minutes. Then next one is Sati Sovan. What is the next one in the sutram? Purana, Sugita,
Avyaya,
Sat is
Tavya.
Avyaya is the Avyaya and then Tavya.
Tavya.
Then Samanadhikarana. So just let us take Avyaya. Let us take Avyaya. Avyaya, let us take the same example. Brahmanasya. What is the Avyaya Rupam, Avyaya form of Krudatu? Any form. Krutva. Yes, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Brahmanasya Krutva. Having done of the Brahmana. Here also compounding. Not allowed. Right? No compounding here. Brahmanasya Krutva, you cannot say Brahmana Krutva. Not allowed. Then the next one. Okay. Here, one more point is that, okay, L plus, so I'm saying that point. It's all, you can note this. We'll never get a chance to say that again. Brahmanasya Krutva Avyayam, that's the example, Siddhanta Kaumudi. Okay. Here, Purvottara Sahacharyat Krit Avyayam Eva Grugyate. Please note. Purva Uttara Sahacharyat. That is because of the Purva and Uttara Sahacharyat. It is here in the tradition. The Avyaya means what Avyaya we consider is Krit Avyaya. Avyaya which is Kridanta Avyaya. So therefore, Twalyap and Namul, all those Avyayam only considered. Not with other Avyayas. That is why he says, Tena Tad Upari. Tad Upari is what? Upari. Upari is Avyaya. Tasya Upari. Samasa is possible. Tad Upari is Tasya Upari. Siddham iti Rakshitaha. Rakshitaha is the name of the Vaiyakarna grammarian. According to him, he says, tad upari, tasya upari, samasa is possible. Here, avyaya, what is meant is only a krit avyaya, not the all the avyayas. So therefore, tad upari, tasya upari iti samasaha bhavati. So that also I will write here. Purvottara Sahacharya, because of the usage Sahacharya, Krit Avyayameva Grigyate. So, not Purvottara, I mean Purva is before, Uttara is later. So, Purvottara Sahacharya, Purva Uttara Sahacharya. So, here the Avyaya we should not understand all the Avyayas, only Kradantavya. Why? Because from the words Purva Uttara, before, after. Here Upari is that. Upari. So with the words, we infer from the words Purva Uttara, that is before and after, from the words before and after the Avyaya. So Purvottara Sagacharyat Krit Avyayam Eva Grigyate. So I will write this here. Here the prohibition is only for is prohibition it's only with regard to Krit Avyayas. And Rakshita, he says the Tasya Upari. Tasya Upari is equal to Tad Upari. This is according to the Rakshita, the Vyakarna, according to the Rakshita, a grammarian, this is valid. This compounding is valid. Okay. So, okay, this part, okay, leave it. This is this Avyaya. But I thought of removing this. So, with Avyaya, it is not formed. Therefore, Avyaya means you have to consider only Krit Avyaya. Okay. This I'll have to check what is the meaning. Purva Uttara Sagacharyat. Purva Uttara Sagacharyat Krit Avyayam Eva Grigyate. Krit Avyayam Eva Grigyate. So the Purva Uttara Sagacharyat. What is that? I will check that. Okay, I don't know. Have to see the explanation further. Okay, then next one. Anyway, the next part is important. That is the next part is Jena Tadupari Ityadi Siddham iti Rakshitaha by the Rakshita, by the grammarian. This Avyaya other than Kradanta is valid. Then after that, Tavya example also. Quickly I'll give that Tavya Pratyanta. So next one, Tavya. Let me do the Tavya. One example. Brahmanasya, same example. Brahmanasya Kartavyam. That is to be done by a Brahmana. You cannot say Brahmana Kartavya. With Tavya Pratyanta, compounding is not allowed. Brahmanasya Kartavyam, Brahmana Kartavyam. Please note here Tavya only he says. There are two Tavyas are there. One is this Tavya, other one is Tavyat Pratyaya. Tavyat also, it is this also, usage is same, but here Tavyat Takara implies Swara Beda. So that is not excluded from forming Samasa. In under Kritya section, you will see Tavya Aniyaraha, Tavyat Tavya Aniyaraha. Here you can see Tavya is there and Tavyat is there and Tavya. Tavyat Tavya Aniyaraha. Why Tavyat Tavya? Why two are there? This Tavyat is, this also added to the Trut Pratyaya, but the Swara Beda is there. But anyway, for all our practical purposes, we just take Tavya. That's okay. But in the sutra, in the current sutra 2 to 11, where samasa is negated for the Shashtanta Subantam Padam, there it is Tavya only. Tavyat is not excluded. Therefore, with the Tavyat Anta Subantam Padam, samasa bhavati eva. Therefore, if it is Tavyat, on a counter example, if it is Tavyat, then it is Swasya Kartavyam, suppose. Swasya Kartavyam. You can say, yes, Kartavyam is Tavyat. So you can say, Swakartavyam. Here there is a difference in this swara. Tavyat as different swara. As different swara. So the swara beda only, this pratyaya is different. From the standpoint of the swara, only this pratyaya is different from tavya. Otherwise, both are kritya only, denoting the karma. And praishati sarga prapta kaleshu, the same meaning. So here, swasya kartavyam, swakartavyam. So when samasa is formed, in other words, you can take like this. When samasa, you see the tavya word, then you can understand it must be tavyat, not tavya. The tavya you cannot form, but tavyat not prohibited. So here, compounding is prohibited for tavya only. Tavya only. Not for tavyat. The difference between tavya and tavyat is swara beda. Okay. So therefore we can form. Then the last one, samanadikaranana, I think we'll see that in the next class. Samanadikaranana, you can quickly say, but we'll see, do that in the next class. Samanadikaranana, the words which are in opposition. We'll see that in the next class. Okay, so we'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavadaha.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಶ್ರೀ.
I will send this file. This file is only deals with Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa. So I have done this file, but not yet completely over. Later sutras are to do. So while teaching, I will do it. Then I will add some if anything is required extra. I'll send you this. You can go through this. Dhanyavada.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.